Becky, I can't believe that our day is finally here. I know that you are probably nervous and worrying about everything, but please just enjoy it. I'll be waiting for you at the end of the aisle and we'll be married before you know it. I love you so much and I'm so proud of the beautiful woman that you have grown into over the past 9 years. You're the most kind and thoughtful person I've ever met, and you're beautiful on the inside and out. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you and call you my wife. I love you millions.
I could have chose anybody, but I chose you. Ooh, help me get better, you pull me right out of the blue. Oh.
So I ask, who presents Rebecca to be married to Jordan today?
I never speak. And every night when I wake up, I need you to get back to sleep. Smells like roses to me.
I, Jordan Roschurch,
Take thee, Rebecca Esther Robson,
Rebecca Esther Robson,
to be my wedded wife.
So sweet, you're my bang. Together we go bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, oh, oh.
You could have chosen anybody, but you chose me. Hiding in bed sits 'cause no one around us agrees. And I feel romantic 'cause since morning I've been at the Y. Shall we eat all the poison and leave all the questions behind? Smells like roses to me, two young lovers at sea. Taste so bitter, so sweet. You're my bang, together we go bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
And all the chemicals and alcohol make for a volatile love. But stay with me, just stay with me. And I